Hello there and welcome to my channel. For those of you who are new here, I can tell you that my name is Camilla. And here on my channel you can find a bit of everything, which will now include me making a Christmas wreath. Because as we were getting close to December, I wanted to make a Christmas wreath. And I actually want to make that wreath out of, branches, leaves, whatever I find myself. Some of you know I have a beagle dog, a 5-year-old male beagle dog called Gilbert, and I'm going to take him for a walk anyways. So I thought I might as well go outside, find some beautiful stuff in nature that I can use to put on this mobile ring to make a Christmas wreath. So as always, I do hope that if you enjoy this video that you'll remember to leave a like to let the gods of the YouTube algorithm know that it's watchable. If you enjoy my content in general, then maybe even consider subscribing. So I thought we might as well just grab Gilbert and go outside in the Danish nature to try and find something that I can use for my Christmas wreath. Ready to go! Hello again. As you can see, I have come back from my walk with Gilbert and we did find lots of different stuff, as you could see in the clip I just played. I didn't record everything I found because, quite frankly, it's a pain in the butt having your dog in one hand and a bag with branches in the other, and so I gave up on recording everything I found. But what I wanted to do now is I want to take these big shiny leaves, and because they're so big, I thought they would fit nicely as the first thing on my wreath. So we'll just take some wire and put on these branches of huge shiny leaves. So this will be my base, basically. Haha, did you get that? And I need to make it face one way because it's supposed to hang on a door. Good for me to remember this before I put on everything here. So I'm just real quick gonna wire on all of these branches and then I'll return once I get them all on. So jump to clip of me having done that. Right, now I have put on these big green shiny leaves, and I gotta admit I don't have a plan. It's not like I sketched this out in my head beforehand, which is how I always work with anything I do. So I'm just gonna take it as it comes. Now, I found these branches and I thought they might be a bit fun to twist in between. What I thought I'd do with these branches is put them on top of here and then cover up the end of the branch. I have 3 in all because, well, honestly, Gilbert was pulling me, so that's what I managed to get, but I think 3 around this one is gonna look pretty cute. So once again, I'm gonna take some wire and I'm gonna attach this very pointy and sort of sharp branch to this wreath. And there we have it. I have I have put them on the wreath. I don't know how visible it is from here, but I have. Then I also found these gorgeous branches of weeping willow, which will give it sort of a, whimsical look. I know this is not turning out to be a classical Christmas wreath, but believe me, if you follow me, you will know that I don't do classical that much. I just go for it. So I will wind it in and out of the wreath as it is now, and then once again, I will jump cut for when I'm done with that. I just put my hair up because honestly I'm getting quite warm. But now I have put the weeping willow onto the wreath. I don't know how obvious it is in this lighting. And what I wanted to do now actually is take these branches, which are a little bit more Christmassy than the other stuff, and I just want to put little bits of it in between, around. Not everywhere, I think, just in between, because I like that sort of sporadic feel to it, a little bit whimsical. So that's what I'm gonna do now. So what I'll do is I'll actually cut this up into smaller pieces, making sure they're not too long, because then I don't think it looks cute. So, oh my god, here we are. And maybe down here in the bottom I'll actually just cut the small branches right off. There we are. And put those on. So I'll just, you know, put them on sporadically around the wreath, sort of where I feel like they'll look cute. Yeah. So jump cut to me having done that. All right, guys, here we are, giving it some more nuance in the green. Lastly, I have found this branch, ooh, which I want to cut off and put little pieces of around, so that we will get yet another nuance of green in the wreath. This is how the wreath looks now, with the other shade of green on it. I want to do some Christmassy things to it, maybe with a couple of baubles or something, so glass bubbles, or I don't quite know yet, but I'll figure it out. So I'll just take a minute to think. Alright, hello again. Now I have had time to think how I want to make my Christmas wreath a little bit more Christmassy. Actually, I've had a lot of time to think, so much so that it's actually the next morning. And what I thought I would do was to take these Christmas baubles and fasten them to the Christmas wreath. Again, in a whimsical manner, no chunks of baubles, just sporadically around the wreath. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do. And hold on tight, and we'll make a jump clip so that you can see how it looks when I'm finally done. Well, anyway, guys, that was it from me making a Christmas wreath. I hope you found it enjoyable to join me in some of my Christmas activities here at home. As always, I do really hope that if you like this video that you'll leave a like, and if you like my content in general, maybe even subscribe. Well, anyways, that's it from me, guys. See you next time. Bye!